FieldEdge doesn't publish a single fixed implementation price. The real cost comes from onboarding support, system setup work, and the internal time it takes to build your workflows inside the software. By the end of this, you'll understand what FieldEdge implementation actually includes, where the costs show up, and why two HVAC or plumbing companies can end up paying completely different amounts. Start with what implementation actually means. FieldEdge is field service management software used by HVAC, plumbing, and electrical businesses. Implementation is the process of setting it up so it matches how your service business runs in real life. That includes scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, customer management, and technician workflows. Now look at onboarding support. FieldEdge offers onboarding assistance depending on your plan and setup package. That can include help configuring your account, building workflows, and importing customer and job data. Even if you don't see a separate implementation fee, onboarding support is often bundled into higher-tier plans or offered as part of a guided setup service. Next, consider data migration. If you're switching from spreadsheets or another system, your customer records, job history, and invoices need to be transferred. The more organized your data is, the faster this step goes. Disorganized data increases manual cleanup and slows down implementation. Now look at customization. FieldEdge is built to match real field service workflows, so you configure how jobs move from call to completion. That includes scheduling rules, job stages, and invoicing processes. More customization means more setup time, even if there's no separate line item cost. Next, think about training. Office staff, dispatchers, and technicians all need to learn how to use the system correctly. Training is part of implementation because the software only works when the whole team actually uses it the same way every day. Now consider internal time cost. Even with onboarding support, your team still spends time building templates, entering data, and testing workflows. That time reduces normal productivity during rollout and is a real operational cost. Next, look at integrations. Many FieldEdge users connect accounting tools, payment processors, or other field service apps. Each integration adds setup steps and can extend implementation timelines. Now understand the real structure. FieldEdge implementation cost isn't a fixed number. It depends on three things: whether you use guided onboarding, how complex your workflows are, and how much data migration and training your team requires. To sum it up, most of the cost comes from configuration time, data cleanup, and whether you choose structured onboarding support or handle setup internally. Next step is simple. Before starting implementation, map your full service workflow, clean your customer data, and decide if onboarding support will save time, or if your team can handle setup on its own. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more FieldEdge breakdowns, field service software insights, and simple explanations that make business tools easier to understand.